Okay, doing a box of Upper Deck Black Diamond 1314. Let's roll for it. 4. One's enough? Yeah. It'd be fun to do a case of Black Diamond all at once. I actually just want the McKinnon rookie, base rookie. I don't have an ice pack, do I? Or is it on top? Okay. Never mind, it's right here. I don't know what I'm thinking. I didn't see it. It says bonus pack right there. Okay, yeah, thanks. I haven't busted this very much. I know when you bust 1314 SPX, isn't the pack like black or something? Or am I thinking? I'm thinking of football, I think. Okay, that one's empty. Box number 90. Pretty excited about this one. Black Diamond Hockey from last year. Let's do it. I think you get 2 hits. Just 2. You get the diamonds. What are we starting off with? A double diamond. Phil Esposito. I don't know who that is. He must be an old timer. Yeah. Yeah, I pulled a Dougie Hamilton Ice to 99 last year out of SPX. It's pretty nice. Forsberg, 3 diamond. Are those good? 3 diamonds or not really, right? Phil Esposito. I don't know. Spacer. It's just base. Boone Jenner. It's fine. Charlie Coyle. He's a pretty good player, isn't he? 3 diamonds on that Coyle. Cloudson Chara. That's nice. Monahan. He's a good player. Yeah, I know. Epperly, 3 diamond. Or triple. Rasmus Ristolainen. I don't know a lot about him. Oh, yeah. Thanks, man. Brendan. It's kind of funny. My channel's turned into like a hockey channel. Stamkos quad. That's a decent pull, isn't it? I like Stamkos. Mike Fisher, he's married to Carrie Underwood. This is kind of a fun little product they have here. That's not bad at all. Backstrom, Ruby Red to 50. Those are nice looking cards too. How much is the Mac worth like this? Like 300? That one's out of 50. Yeah, 50. Nicholas Backstrom for the Caps. GC, do you want to break anything tonight? Also, Brendan, your package should be there Monday. They were dropped off Friday. I think we're still waiting on an auto. Slava Voynov, he got in trouble for beating up his girlfriend. I don't think they've taken him back yet. That's nice. Crosby, quad. Crosby's on fire this season. Boone Jenner. Wasn't somebody talking about Boone? Or were we talking about me pulling Boone? Crosby's a baby? Yeah, it kinda is. I like Patrick Kane. Boone Jenner, is that what you were talking about? Or were you talking about me pulling that in the ice pack? Called it. I know. How is Boone Jenner? Is he a good player? I don't know a lot about him. Nordstrom. Blackhawks PC. No. Yeah, that last one was 3. I think they're all 3 and 4 though. 4s are tougher, I take it. Oh, 2s? How many autos do you get in this? I don't think I've gotten one. Doesn't say on the autos. Oh, no autos? Okay. Interesting. Tanner Pearson, 3. Triple diamond. Autos. I was just asking how many autos you got. For some reason I was thinking you got 2. Ice time. Drew LeBlanc. At least it's Blackhawks. Drew LeBlanc, 999. Recap it. Just pulled this. Drew LeBlanc to 999. Tanner Pearson, 3. Nordstrom, 3. We got a quad of Boone. Crosby quad. Backstrom, Ruby Red to 50. Stamkos quad. Rasmus quad. Monahan quad. Coyle triple. And a Phil Esposito, kind of like a patch, not numbered. Thanks a lot, guys. There will be more tonight.